Well, here we are for mental math and fluency today. And what I need for you to do is we're going to take a look at three fractions that we have here on the screen today. And you need to determine what two whole numbers are those fractions between, because we know fractions appear in a measurement scale or a fraction number line or on a ruler. We have them in various places, and we need to understand if we see it, what two whole numbers is it between? So go ahead and pause your video and see if you can figure out these three fractions. Which two whole numbers are they between? Okay, so if we take a look at the first fraction, we have 3/2. And we know that 3/2 is the same as 3 divided by 2. And if we divide that out, we know that 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 whole, and we have 1/2 left over. So 3/2 is between 1 and 2 for the whole number. So how did you do? Let's take a look at 5/2. If we think to ourselves, 5 divided by 2, what is that going to give us? We're going to have 2 whole numbers, right? And then we're going to have 1 left over, so it's going to be 2 and 1/2. So again, this is going to be between 2 and 3 this time. How'd you do on that one? Let's take a look at the last one on this screen. We have 7/3. 7 divided by 3. So I know 2 times 3 is 6. So my whole number is going to be 2. And I have 1 left over. So 2 and 1/3. So for this one, it's going to be again between 2 and 3. How'd you do? Let's take a look at the next screen and do a little bit more practice. All right, we'll do these three and then we'll wrap it up. So go ahead, pause your video and do these three fractions. All right, so the first one we have 11/2, so it would be 11 divided by 2. So our answer is going to be 5 and 1/2. So our two whole numbers would be 5 and 6. If we take a look at the second one, we have 17/3. So again, if I think 17 divided by 3, I know that 3 times 5 is 15. So that's probably the closest that I'm going to get. So that means I have 2 left over. So that'll be 2/3 for my fraction. And that means the whole numbers will be between 5 and 6 once again. If we take a look at this last one, we have 26/4. So again, I'm going to do 26 divided by 4. And I know that 4 times 7 is 28, which is too big. So 4 times 6 is 24. That's the closest I'm probably going to get. I have 2 left over. And remember, we got 2/4 as our remainder. That's also equivalent to 6 and 1/2. Okay, so our whole numbers will be 6 and 7 this time. So there you have it. Looking at fractions and determining what two whole numbers would that fraction be between if we placed them on a number line. See you next time.